Hi friends, I am Jaya Dasari. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing unboxing and reviewing Russell Hobbs electric kettle. This kettle I brought from Argo Store, UK, Southampton, and this costs 32 pounds 29 pence. This is very good brand and I really like it. I've been using many years the same brand, same kettles, one after other, same thing I'm using. Okay friends, let's start the unboxing. Friends, I forgot to mention it. This Russell Hobbs kettle is quite a boil kettle, so it's very when you boiling time, it's very less noise. Also, it have both sides indicator and this side, also this side, both side water level indicator. The light also. Let's see about this kettle. This is a stainless steel kettle. This is stainless steel kettle. It has 3-year guarantee. Perfect for dual water windows, up to 75% quieter. You can boil the water and you can make proper tea, green tea, fruit tea, lemon tea, all kind of teas you can make it. It boils 1 cup in 45 seconds. The functions is have a base and perfect pouring, 3K watts rapid boil zone, boils 1 cup in 45 seconds, and it has a blue ring here, illuminating light ring, illuminates blue on boil. Here is this one, shows blue, and 360 degrees base. So let's open this one. It has a small booklet, instruction manuals here how to do it, but it's very easy. Oh, thank you. Something winning voucher. It says some voucher came with this one. This is a base. And it has something you can, the base fold. Okay, this is a base. Stainless steel. It boils 1.71 liter water, 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cups, 4 cups. Russell Hobbs. When you boiling this is a ring here. It's a blue ring. It lights. I'm going to show it to you also. It's a button here, on, off, and it has a filter also here. Inside is a filter here. I can't take it out now. The filter is here. Switch on and off button here. The base. I'm going to boil the water and show it to you all. The tag is there. I'm just removing this tag. On the side. I'm going to wash this new kettle and fill the water and come here. Before that, you can see inside how it looks. It's a boiling ring there. So now I'm going to wash and fill the water and come here. I filled up to 2 cups of water. So I fill the water, switch on. So put it switch on. You can see the blue ring. When it's this indicates the kettle is on. If you don't want, you can switch off, but you just put it on. The 2 cups of water is boiling now. It automatically switch off itself. So I'm going to show you all how to make cup of tea. This is my tea bag. Pouring water. Just adding half teaspoon of light brown sugar. Adding some milk. Here is perfect tea is ready in just 1 minute. You can enjoy. Usually we make always like this only tea in the morning tea. We always boil the water in the kettle and then make like this tea. Before that, I'm going to tell you I've been using same thing, Russell Hobbs, and this has become very old. So I brought another new one. This is also still working. Start boiling water, some water here, and this shows light here. So exactly the same 3 cups water, 1.7 liter one, but it's become very old, so we brought the new one. Friends, I boil every day 3 to 4 kegs of water. We drink warm water, and we make tea or green tea, lemon tea, everything with the kettle boiled water only. We don't boil in the pan or anything. We use the kettle very, very much. That's why I brought another kettle. Anyway, I'm going to dispose this one. So I'm start using now this one, new one. Okay, friends, I'm having my tea. Very nice. Very easy and very nice, very handy, isn't it, friends? Thank you, friends. See you with the next new video. Thank you. Bye. Friends, hope you like this, my new kettles demo. If you like, please do not forget to like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.